Did you know that if you want to grow your followers or have a more extensive number of views, you have to be consistent in posting? Yes, there is no perfect time schedule kung kailan ka magpo-post, kung ano yung perfect na oras na maraming taong naka-online. No, wala talagang ganon. It's actually up to you. But the main rule is you have to be consistent and post as much as you can. What if may trabaho ka ng 8 a.m.? Of course, you cannot post. But you can do it by 6 or 7 a.m. At least may maipost ka para merong umikot sa mainstream. Okay? And if you're a new content creator, you can post twice a day or once a day. Kung testing ka pa lang, just like me, before, once a day lang ako mag-post. And hinahanap ko pa yung perfect time kung kailan ako may rest time to edit and then post agad. Isang beses lang yun, isang araw. And then afterwards, pag nakasanayin mo na, pwede ka ng twice a day. Pwedeng gawin mo para mas madaling tandaan, 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. Okay, dapat meron ka nang na-edit beforehand and you can post from that exact time. Okay? Consistent posting really helps para merong ma-feed sa mga tao, merong makita para sa iyong mga future followers and, of course, friends. So, consistent posting means you post each day, at least once a day. Meaning lang naman ng consistent ay tuloy-tuloy. So, it doesn't matter kung madami. The thought is tuloy-tuloy. So, once a day, kung yun pa lang ang kaya mo, baguhan ka pa lang, nahihirapan ka sa editing, it's good. Okay lang yon. So, post once a day. Dapat ma-maintain mo yung momentum na nagpo-post ka everyday. And then afterwards, kung kaya mo na, you can do it twice a day. Pwede kang mag-set ng time para mas lalong mabilis mong ma-recall na, ito na yung oras para sa pagpo-post. Okay, so pwedeng 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. And then kapag medyo free time, pwede kang twice a day. Again, pwede kang mag-set ng time kung anong oras mo gusto. And then, pwede ring 4, 5, 6, or 8, or 10 times a day. Sabi pa nga doon sa nabasa ko, better daw kung 10 times a day. But imagine that, yung mga full-time content creator lang ang nakakagawa nun. Kasi nga, they have plenty of time to edit, to outsource. Kung ano yung mga scripts, ano yung mga scenes. Pero kung empleyado ka ng 9 to 6, syempre, work muna tayo. So, maisisingit lang natin yun ng pasundot-sundot. But, the thing is, you have to be consistent. Because when you consistently post, isa man yan, at least may dumadaloy sa mainstream. Okay? May nakikita sa FYP or sa timeline ng mga possible followers mo in the future. That's it!
My loves, thank you for watching! Don't forget to hit follow, subscribe, and share this video. Let's spread happiness and love, love, love!